Oh, the conto now say le macchine agricole sono macchine semoventi. That is, I don't talk about semoventi means that you can drive them. You can drive them from your house to the place where you go, your farm. Is it clear now? You can pull them. You fit to carry them for your remorque, pull them, carry them, go. You can even drive them alone if you want. Or sono macchine trainate. You can also pull them. Yes. Watch, oh. This is definition of macchine agricole. Macchine agricole sono macchine semoventi. Is it clear now? Or waiting, or trainate. You can carry them or they can drive on their own. Now they can say, this particular guy they call macchine agricole, they can have waiting. They said, sono dotate. The word dotate. On that name for dotato, in if na singular, it's called munito. Sorry. That's verb to have. They said every macchine agricole, they have waiting. Ruote gomate. We be say tire down now. Is it clear now? They get tire on it. They call them rote gomate or chingoli. Now, if you can check on your own, chingoli means chain. Either your tractor, I'd say your tractor, either your that your machine agricole, that your farm machine, either it has chain on it that can mm, let me show you pictures so that it makes sense. See it here. You can have tires. This one is a good one. You can have tire or you can have chain on it. Is it clear now? Chain is called cingoli. Guys, let's continue. Now, the controllers now say, watch. Quelle semoventi possono trasportare al massimo tre addetti, compreso il conducente. Which we don't learn. Add that to your jota. If na macchine agricole, they can carry at least three people, including the driver. So everybody na three. Is it clear now? Macchine agricole can carry three people, including the driver. Is it clear now? Watch, oh. Ma non in piedi. They should be wearing their seatbelt. Ma non in piedi. Is it clear? Soprattutto sul rimorchio. They can't be lying down. They can't be sitting. You have to they have to wear their seatbelt. Now what? They said, le macchine agricole sono destinate ad essere impiegate nelle attività agricole. Guys, it makes sense. This macchine agricole should be used for waiting, for agricultural purposes. Le macchine agricole sono destinate ad essere impiegate nelle attività agricole e forestali. That your macchine agricole should be used for agricultural purposes or for forest purposes. Is it clear now? Yes, because now for farming you use them or for your forest. Possono circolare su strada per il proprio trasferimento and they call it what semoventi. They say they can drive. Now, circolare no means to go circular form. It means to drive, to move. They can move on the road when they move them. Is it clear now? Per il proprio trasferimento o per il proprio trasporto di prodotti agricoli. Watch. And if you want to drive them on the road, you have to register them. They can't say, ma solo se immatricolate. They must be registered. If you want to drive them on the road, the only reason we go fit make you drive on the road now only if they are registered. La watch. Le macchine agricole, watch, oh, anche se eccezionali. Guys, watch now. Concerning macchine agricole and even macchine operative, we will soon see. We have two types of macchine agricole. The first one is called macchine agricole eccezionale. Wetin be eccezionale? Eccezionale means say, see in English, exceptional, very, very big. They are huge. And whenever it is eccezionale, it means say the weight of it or the size of it is bigger than any size of machine of motorcycle. Please follow me, oh. If you want to write it down, writing it down. They said le macchine agricole, anche se eccezionale. And why did they call them eccezionale? Because quelli che superano i limiti di sagoma e i limiti di massa previsti per autoveicoli. Some people go tell una motoveicoli. Is it clear now? Now watch. Watch, oh. For every now for macchine agricole, for them to be described as macchine agricole eccezionale, their size waiting should be bigger than auto vehicle. That is, those big ones. That's what they call it, macchine agricole eccezionale. And non-eccezionale, now those small ones where they use for your farm. For those who get garden for their house. You know, say we have different type of macchine agricole. You have the small one, where they're very small, even as small as bicycle, that you can even cut. That one usually cutting grass. Now still macchine agricole. You see it now. So it depends on what you have. The one they call macchine agricole eccezionale are the big ones. Is it clear? All right, let us continue. Do you know that with your patente B, you can drive them? Si possono condurre con la patente B. With macchine agricole eccezionale, those big ones, you can use your patente B to drive them. Guys, watch. Quelli che non superano i limiti
Allora,
di massa e sagoma dei motoveicoli si possono condurre con la patente A1, A2 or A. Now, everything concern category of patente, I don't want to discuss them for now. If I discuss am now, it go cause too many confusion. So forget about it for now. We'll discuss am when the time is right. Now they can say we have macchine agricole eccezionale and you need patente B to drive them. We now and why did they call them macchine agricole eccezionale? Because their weight is as big as auto vehicle. If it can be as big as even as auto trainer.
oh,
Now for macchine agricole non eccezionale, those small ones, because the size is as big as, let's say, even motochik. It can even be smaller. I beg Mr. Mavis. I beg. It can even be smaller. Look like now. Mr. Mavis, I beg. You dey make noise. Now, they call those people macchine agricole non eccezionale because their size is too small. Any question so far concerning macchine agricole? So we don't see definition. Definition is that they are called what? Sono macchine semoventi. Is it clear? Or trainate. They can drive on their own. Yes. Because if you drive them from your house to your farmlands, or you can even carry them, or you can pull them. Remember, they have chain or they have tires. Sono dotate di gomme or cingoli. Any question, guys? All right, let me see, don't declare. Let us now see macchina operatrice. Since we don't see macchina agricole, maybe we can see macchine operatrice. Allora, like we said before, macchina operatrice are those guys who na they see that they use, they use them in building houses, you know, that kind of thing. They use and clear ground. Early in the morning, they will come and pour salt in the ground in case when snow fall. Or these are the park snow. Is it clear now? They call those guys macchina operatrice. Le macchina operatrice, even those guys that those particular macchine that comes to take away your dustbin, they can be called macchina operatrice. Macchine operatrice sono veicoli destinati ad essere operate su strada o cantiere. Now, possono essere semoventi, like the other guy, o essere trainate. The same thing. Is it clear now? What be cantiere? Cantiere means walking, like a place where we say they block for walk. A space for walk. They block that place because they want to walk. They want to clear the road. They want to walk on the road. Is it clear? Possono essere dotate di gommate o cingoli. The same thing as the other guy. Alcuni esempi di macchine operatrice sono veicoli sgombra neve. You can check it on your own. What be veicoli sgombra neve? Sgombra neve. See, it they remove neve from the road. Sparti neve. What does it do? For example, they pour salt on the ground when snow fall. Is it clear now? The uses of all these macchine operatrice, they say they can use them for what? Per la costruzione di opere civile o stradale. You can use them for civil work, or even for road work, or even for movement of things. Yes. Is it clear now? So we don't see macchine operatrice. Any question so far? So what we don't see now? We don't see macchine operatrice and macchine agricole.
addirittura.
All right, guys, without wasting much of time again, eh? I dey come on. And get one thing way I can't find it. I mean, any question, guys? If you get question, you ask me. Oh, I'm coming. Let me see if it's this one. I mean, this is not the best to teach this one. Let me see if it's from here. Coming. Let me use this one to teach theory. Now, I want to teach something that is very important. autoveicoli, rimorchi, mm, traffico intenso, non be this one. Non c'è. Because we just learned that they are still working on this patented with device. They work on the app for to teach them with laptop. They are still working on it. That's why we can open it. Allora, after this particular topic, look at it here, guys. Very important. Strisce pannelli retroriflettenti. Please follow me. Strisce e pannelli retroriflettenti. Ah, why is it like this now? Come in. I don't want the quiz. Come, let me see if there's a possibility of using this patented device. Probably no. If not, I have to teach this one on that time. But it's very, very important actually, Sha. All right, guys, we'll jump that one. We'll come back to it after. All right, the topic remaining here are just few of them. And these few of them, now let me go to talk for you, which I don't want to. Because before we check, we'll come back to these ones after. I don't understand. We'll come back to these ones we remain here after. And if I start teaching it now, they are very simple, but I will do it when we are very, very prepared. That is from next week. Is it clear? I'm not going to do it now. So I want to,
Which topic? Which topic is that?
no, it's still definition general. Everything will concern the last part.
Okay.
Everything will concern the last part. So I will do it when we are really prepared. So I'll come back to it after. I don't want to do it now. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to introduce now the only one of the things really meant for me to do with an panel retroreflectante. I will come back to that one later on, but I can't find it here. So I want to do something. I want to introduce something. I want to go straight to the second topic. Not because of say I want to run, but I just want to go straight to the second topic. And the reason why I want to go back, I want to go to the straight to the second topic. Now, segnale di pericolo.
Segnali, pericolo.
All these people say they're very crazy. Vabbè, dai, facciamo così. So we're going to start doing segnali di pericolo. So, I'm just going to do small introduction about it. I'm going to just introduce small introduction about it. Then, after I do small introduction, then we'll start discussing them. So, guys, bring out your jotter. Everybody bring out your pen and paper. Now, when we talk about segnali di pericolo, I don't start to abeg when I follow me. No, I don't drop some things there. I will come back to it next week. I just want to introduce one of these things. So for those people who want to start to the study and we want to start to the study, you can start studying as you want. Now, what be segnali di pericolo? Segnali di pericolo, like the word says. Now the second topic, if you go to your app, at the second topic after definition generale, the second topic is called segnali di pericolo. The word says there, segnali di pericolo, danger signal. Danger signal. That is signal where they show danger. If you see this sign, it means say danger D. If you enter for road, you see am for road, it means say danger dey. How they will take tell you say danger dey? Because they can never, you cannot see a human being now come out and tell you say, ah, danger dey for road. Now, everything concerning road in Europe is made in a way that they teach us about definition in general. General definition wey everybody suppose know. That's why it's not good to go and buy patent. It's not good. It's good for you to know these things. Now, after these things now, one of the things you need to know again is what? After definition in general, you now know all type of signs wey dey for road. You go know them. Is it clear now? Now, we want to enter into the world of science and all these things. Everything we go see for road, we want to understand them. Now, the first topic is called segnali di pericolo. Please, everybody bring out your pen and paper. In a new jotter, write segnali di pericolo. Now, guys, watch. How do you understand segnali di pericolo? Guys, watch. Every segnale di pericolo has a triangular form, like what we are seeing here. Now, don't look at the picture we then draw inside them. Just look at the triangular shape. That's what I'm interested in. Please write them down. Not be say if you do finish now, you go say no write them down. I hope you're writing it down. Every segnale di pericolo gets triangular shape. Please write it down. All segnali di pericolo, they all have triangular shape. Now, that's the first information. Second information, I go take no segnali di pericolo. Remember, I say it is trying to tell us that I say.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you repeat that again? You said every
segnale di
pericolo.
pericolo, they all have triangular shape.
Okay, sir.
Triangular shape with the up going upwards like this. Triangular shape like this. All right. Now, I beg, no look at this with the inside for now. We don't focus there. Let us just focus on the shape of the triangle. All of them get triangular shape. That is what we don't understand. We don't learn say, if I see segnale di pericolo for road, once I just see in a triangular shape, I don't know say it's trying to tell me that there's a danger for front. I'm going somewhere. That's the first information. Second information, every segnale di pericolo is being placed 150 meters before you get to that danger. Are you following me? Every segnale di pericolo is being placed 150 meters before. That is, they will place this sign. They will place the signboard. They will place the signboard of segnale di pericolo 150 meters before you get to that place where danger dey. I hope you are writing it down. They will place it. You see the signboard of segnale di pericolo 150 meters before you get to that danger. And that is how in Europe they use the govern road. That is why of course accidents they happen, yes, but all these things they limit some accidents. They will give you sign for front wey be say go make you know say, oh, for front there's a danger. In 150 meters, they are trying to tell you that in 150 meters you will see a danger there. Please, are you following me, guys? Now, wetin be that danger? They go drum inside there. Are you writing it down? That danger, they go drum inside that segnale di pericolo. You go see them there. Like this one now, the title is in 150 meters. See that this danger, they for front. Are you guys following me? Yes. This particular danger, this picture we dem put here, it dey for front. In 150 meters, you will get there. Now, we'll get there small. Now, small by small, we'll now understand which danger be this guy. Let's just understand the panorama of everything. They're telling us that in 150 meters, you will see this danger in 150 meters. Another information. I don't give us 3 now. Number 4. Every segnale di pericolo, the contour, that is the border, na red. They will paint on red around the border of it, around the margin of it. Is it clear now? The inside. If the inside is white, that means that segnale di pericolo is permanent. It is permanent if the inside is white. Are you writing it down, Mrs. Everybody with the here? If the inside is white, that segnale di pericolo is permanent. But if the inside is yellow, it is temporary. That is, they will soon move. That is, it's just temporary because they are working there. It's just work in progress.
Mrs. Everybody, write it down.
Exactly. If the inside is yellow, it's just work in progress. That means they just work there temporarily. They will soon come out time. Is it clear now? Because maybe they are trying to build the road. They're trying to do something there. Are you people following me? Yes. Now, but if the inside is white, it is permanent. The road will come out time forever. It did there. I beg, if you get question, ask me. Oh. Now, another important thing again about segnale di pericolo. Segnale di pericolo, they talk to me and you as drivers. If they tell you, say, my brother, my sister, ladies and gentlemen, they try to tell me and you, say, that picture where they see, where they draw inside there, now the danger where you go see in 150 meters. So segnali di pericolo dey relate to me and you as drivers. They talk to us, to me and you as drivers. If they take that picture with them draw inside there. Now the danger, if person never say if you are still yet to understand what I mean, understand it now. It's talking to me and you as drivers that picture then draw. For example, they draw this picture inside it. It means that it's trying to talk to you, Mr. Ifeanyi. That picture with them draw inside there. It is the danger you see in 150 meters. So you have to be very, very careful. That is the main message of segnali di pericolo. Very, very simple, guys. Your Italian teacher no go teach you the way they teach you this thing. That is why you should not owe me. They don't go teach you the way they take teach you this thing. You see am now. Now, on that important information about segnali di pericolo is that very, very important. If you guys remember one time we discussed about even me, I don't even forget the name they call this thing on that. Pannelli integrativi. Guys, follow me. If you remember one time we discussed about pannelli integrativi. Pannelli integrativi, remember the work of it. The work, I for like ask question, but I no go ask question. My teacher. The work of pannelli integrativi, remember I say, is to give us more information. Number one. Number two, to give us different information. Number three, if they complement an existing signal, they give them more information inside there because they don't go carry every information, put them inside here. So they can't put a smaller signboard for down where they give you more information. So guys, watch. Segnali di pericolo 2 can carry pannelli integrativi. Yes. In short, every pannelli integrativi they go with every signal. Guys, signal now one of the most simplest topic we did. There are many of them. We'll start seeing them one by one. You see now, pannelli integrativi goes with every signal. I bet if you get question, you ask me. If you get question, you ask me. Since now 3 months old they meet. So me now, I go to run now. Next week now, if I finish this first topic, I go to run now. I know look anybody face. If you have somebody that want to join, you can tell him to join. I go to run now. So we don't see segnali di pericolo. I don't give an introduction about segnali di pericolo. Remember, say they are used to indicate a danger with there for front. And what is the danger? In 150 meters, you get to the danger. If they tell me and you say, look, in 150 meters, you get to that danger with there for front. Guys, you no end there. You no end there. They call it tell you say, ladies and gentlemen, drivers, the danger what they talk about, that picture what they draw inside there, and what you go see for front in 150 meters. Now, it's left for you now to be very, very careful. You want to slow down, you slow down. Now, all segnali di pericolo, they carry pannelli integrativi, which will be seen there one by one. On that thing again, if the inside is white, guys, they are permanent. If they are yellow, it's just work in progress. They will soon come out, not temporarily. They will come out after some time. Any questions so far? If now one, we can continue, we can start seeing them one by one. Or we'll stop here for today. We'll see them one by one. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right on, sir.
All right. So we'll continue. Let us start seeing them one by one. If you can open your app also. Now, the first topic, one of the first something we'll see here is strada disestata. Another name for strada disestata is called disestata is called strada deformata. Please write it down. Another name for this, in short, in your app, what you go see na strada deformata. Another name for strada deformata is called strada disestata. Might tell us one more trick. One more trick. For this particular, now, as we don't enter segnale, wetin I go do for me na be say, una go cram their definition. Might repeat again. You cram their definition. That is, you memorize it. Memorize the definition. After you memorize the definition, please memorize the picture. Because some picture and some other picture feel resemble. They resemble. Many of them they resemble each other. Please memorize the definition. Memorize the picture so you will not be confused. They will not confuse you. Also, try to remember informations where they use them and where you no fit use them. All right, move on. Let us now give definition of strada deformata. Strada deformata or strada disestata is waiting. È un segnale di pericolo. Definition che viene utilizzata per the word presegnalare means they use them to pretell us. They use them to pretell us what you go see for front. Un tratto stradale. The word tratto stradale means a type of road. Tratto stradale means a type of road. Watch. Con pavimentazione irregolare. This is definition of strada deformata. They say you get waiting. You get pavement wey dey irregular. The pavement no dey straight. E get irregular pavement. Make I show us for English because it's good say we know all these things. Make I show us for English the meaning of strada deformata because now come tell me now I dey come. I will call person and you go tell me wetin dey call this thing for our language. I'm coming. Oh, please don't answer. Just call anybody. You just tell me wetin this thing. Wetin they call am for our language. I dey come. Oh. Might call anybody. Mrs. Annabelle. Look at this type of road. Wetin they call am for our language? Wetin comes to your mind if you see this kind of road? This kind of road. Wetin comes to your mind? Hello.
Where are
No,
you?
look at it here. If you see this kind of road now, wetin comes to your mind for Nigeria or I know you be Nigeria be? Yes. Hello, ma.
Any African country get
Okay, any
am.
African country, yes. Okay, any African
They get
country.
president.
It there for our road for any African country. Now, if you see this thing on your road now in Africa, which particular what comes to your mind? What do they call it in your language?
What did they call it in my language?
Yeah, yeah. Very anything will come your mind. This kind of thing now, if you see am for Niger or any country, we come. What do they call them?
So na Korota Road now,
Nakrota road. But yes, Nakrota. But you know they see ho here. What do they call that ho for our language?
In a pothole.
Na pothole. Is it
Also,
clear? So what we don't learn? We don't learn something with a very, very huge. Strada deformata or strada is a starter mean pothole. This picture when I see here, it mean pothole. Cram am, memorize them. That is why I showed you this picture. That's why I showed you that picture. See, it's no good if we talk finish, we can't go do on that thing. It's no good. If I we don't now remember the trick of this thing I say, I don't teach you and say, make una learn the definition of it. The definition of this guy means strada con pavimentazione irregolare. And it shows for that place. The pavement of that road they irregular. You know they straight. You know they homogeneous. They see am. Just it just a scratch everywhere. Another definition is called incativo stato. What do you mean cattivo stato? Cattivo stato means bad state condition. The third definition is called strada disestata. Disestata means say, see, pothole full everywhere, like the picture I showed you. So you get three definitions. You can call them pavimentazione irregolare, cattivo stato, or strada disestata. Is it clear now? Let's continue. Il segnale di strada disestata, the concept watch, si trova a 150 metri prima del tratto di strada con fondo irregolare. Now, this word fondo might tell us one thing. For patente, they can call road different thing. They can call road fondo stradale. Write and down. Everybody write and down. They can call road fondo stradale. They can call it pavimentazione stradale. They can even call it asfalto. They can even call it strada. Is it clear now? They call right here fondo irregolare. That is the inside of the road, no dey regular. It dey very scatter, like the picture I showed you. Is it clear now? They can't say what. Remember, I say this segnale, they will place it 150 meters before you get there. Remember to cram this picture. On that picture resemble them. Remember to cram them. Now they can say, può essere integrato. What do you mean integrato? They cannot integrate this segnale with a panel integrative under them. They can put this guy under them. See him now. They can put a panel integrative under them. Now let me now introduce this guy. Since the picture is here, let me tell us one thing. Since they don't put on here. Guys, watch. Panel integrativo, they very, very huge. They plenty. They are plenty. They more than 20. They are more than 20. Now, some of them, they're important. Actually, all of them are important. Let us see this one with them put here. Guys, watch. When we talk about panel integrativo, please follow me. Oh. I want to explain something. Okay, let me use this guy as example. See, guys, watch. I come. Okay, let me use this one for example. Now watch. If they give us panel integrativo like this, they can put two arrow up and they can put a value inside them. Now, this particular panel integrative is called estesa. E-S-T-E-S-A. They call it estesa. Please memorize them. Whenever the two arrows going up, it no go down, it no go sideways, it dey go up. And they come put a value. This number can be 500 meters. It can even be kilometers. They come put here 380 meters. It can be anything. It can be 220 meters. It can be even 500 kilometers. If you see two arrow going up, it means wetin? Estesa. Wetin estesa mean? Estesa mean the length of this pothole is 380 meters long. No be distance. Are you guys following me? The length of that of how this road takes spoil, because this is a pothole. The length of this pothole is 380 meters long of how it takes spoil. That is the meaning of this thing. Because remember, I say panel integrativo, they give you more information. Who don't pick them now? They give you different information. If they complement and existing signal. Now, they don't tell you what this thing mean. They give you more information. Say, oh, this is a pothole, na danger. Yes. But they can't give you the length. Then these two arrow up, they tell you the length. See the word, the length. The lunghezza. Some quiz go tell you the extension. Now the same thing. The extension of this road, of how it takes spoil, na length of 380 meters. If na kilometers, they will write in kilometers. I hope you don't write them down. Whenever the two arrows is going up as a panel integrative, it means estesa. That is the length. Write them down. I go ask this again next week. I know good say you don't forget them. All right, let me show you on that one again. Now let us keep this one aside. If they now bring a panel integrativo like this, let me see to that guy. And look at this one. Look at this picture, guys. Almost the same thing. If they give you something like this, they come right here 320 meters. Mike, I ask a question. I recall my ask person, Mrs. Gift. Hello, Mrs. Gift. Hello, Mrs. Paul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma, watch. Look at this panel integrativo. What you notice as just picture, just tell me picture. What you notice between this one and the other one I showed you? This panel.
I'm not seeing your mouse.
See my mouse here. My mouse there for that.
Okay.
What you notice the difference between these? No, without telling me what just tell me in picture related. What you notice as picture between this guy and the other picture I showed you before?
Because the other one has two arrows going up.
Wonderful.
Why this one doesn't have?
Exactly. Mona, follow me. So it talk. Thank you. Yes. The other one get two arrow going up, and that one is stesa. I don't repeat them again. This guy no get two arrow going up. They will write 320. You know what it mean? It means distancer in capital letter. Distancer. So what did they try to tell us? They try to tell us now, say, guys, watch you. They try to tell you now, see, no more 150 meters anymore now. That is the distance from where you see this segnale up to where the danger day now 320 meters long. This one a distance. You see now. They tell you the distance where it will take you to reach that place where the pothole day. Might repeat again. Without the two arrow going up, it means distance. They are trying to tell you the distance from where you see this segnale up to where you get to that particular danger way on top. It is 320 meters of distance. Then if it is this guy, it simply means the length. You don't reach there, yes. But the length we go take come off for that, of how that road takes spoil, of that pothole, now 380 meters long. Any question here, guys? Any question here? Okay. Let me say, don't declare B. Let us continue. Now they can say, watch. They said, può essere integrato con un pannello integrativo. Watch, che definisce quanto è lungo quel tratto di strada irregolare. You see him now. Now, because they put this guy here, it means the length. Lungo means the length. Or sometimes quiz go tell us l'estensione. L'esempio pratico is what they put down there here. So, which I don't do today with you now. I don't give us the characteristics of segnali di pericolo. How you go take no segnali di pericolo when you're there for road. So, students, watch. With this little thing I tell you now, even on your own self, most of my old videos there for YouTube, you can just watch one and you can do the rest on your own. Because I don't give us the characteristics. I might repeat again. All segnali di pericolo get triangular shape. Don't forget. The contour that they read, the triangular shape means say you go see this pointed one and on top. Because after some time we change. But segnali di pericolo, they have a triangular shape with the pointed side going up. Is it clear? Yes. The inside is white, that means it is permanent. That's they permanent. They don't come out them again. But if it dey yellow, if the fund dey yellow, it means say na just work in progress. It is temporarily. Guys, segnali di pericolo means say they replace am 150 meters before you get to that particular danger. 150 meters, not 100 meters. 150 meters before you get to the danger. Let me continue again. Guys, watch. That means say every segnali di pericolo they talk to me and you as drivers, telling us that see that picture with them draw inside there. This is the danger he's talking about. You go see them in 150 meters. So be careful. Any question, guys? So my do quiz immediately in 3 minutes. Sharp, sharp. For it, I just explain. Sharp. Okay, everybody on your mic. Everybody, please on your mic. Let me start from Miss Annabelle. Il segnale raffigurato preannuncia un tratto di strada deformata. Vero o falso? Guys,
Vero.
fast. Eh? Vero. Ok, Mr. Ifeanyi. Il segnale raffigurato può essere associato con un segnale di limite massimo di velocità. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Any other answer? Now, they said they fit to put a panel integrativo where they give us the maximum speed limit. Na vero o falso?
Falso.
Vero.
Na vero. Because, like I told you before, panel integrativo, they plenty. There are almost 20 of them. Yeah, if you carry any kind of panel integrativo. All right, let us continue. Mrs. Messi, il segnale raffigurato preannuncia un tratto di strada con pavimentazione irregolare. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Ok, Mrs. Gift, il segnale raffigurato è un segnale di pericolo. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Mrs. Elus, il segnale raffigurato si trova in genere a 150 metri prima di un tratto di strada con fondo irregolare. Vero o falso?
È vero.
Vero, alright. Mrs. Folua, watch. Il segnale raffigurato, se a fondo giallo, è usato in presenza di cantiere stradale. Vero o falso? Mrs. Folua, answer. Alright, Mr. Mavis. Il segnale raffigurato, se a fondo giallo, è usato in presenza di cantiere stradale. Vero o falso?
Zero.
Vero. Alright, guys. We don't do a lot today. I think basta. We don't do a lot.
Continue, sir. Continue. Let's finish the
No,
quiz.
basta for today. Muna go chop. Alright, guys. I'll see you people on Monday. I beg, before this weekend, make we complete our payments. I beg. No, only few people don't pay here, which is very poor. In the Bible, I don't even reach more than 4. I beg, when I pay on money, more continue this class. It's very important. Though. This class is not free. And when I like what I teach you, be. When I pay on money, let us continue teaching us in peace. So, Miss Annabelle, remember I said now you go to lead the quiz. Miss Annabelle, now you lead the quiz this weekend. What is I don't teach you?
Cheerleader.
I don't teach you exactly. I don't teach you vehicularly. I don't teach you that. Everything concerning that is check. What you go do for me? Say you go do every topic we don't do so far.
Yeah.
Every quiz we don't do so far. Up to where? Up to segnali di pericolo. If you want to, or you can do only definition generale. But remember, quiz per argomenti. That is topic by topic. No one see join something. And see, do one like this. Any quiz where you do, you write on the topic. This topic, write them under them. And this topic you do. If not strada, write under them strada. So also, I want to see the results. You go screenshot the results, or you do video. Anyone you want to, but I want to see the results. I say go to do them. So now you go do many quiz. You know, good say we meet on Monday. You know, do anyone. You know, good. All right, guys. Any question before we leave?
Be.
Good night, everybody.
Okay, now good night, everybody. All right.
Mm.